Hey guys, welcome to the channel, Taking the Bathroom. The bathroom is the only place you can play at your gadgets in peace. On this channel, we do product reviews and also some tutorials. If you want to support the channel, go ahead and check out my ebook. Bang! www.theman775.com. Also, we'll have a PayPal donation link in the description of the video. Okay. So yes, I've been hyping up my video, $25 donation. Guys, please, when you send a donation, include your email, especially if you're doing it from Cash App. There's no way I can contact you once you send me the money through Cash App. Please include your email. All right, here's some of the questions I've been having. And for those of you that say, oh, Tech, you all about money. Look, I told you guys, you can do this research yourself. But if you want a finished made product, everything, walking you through the steps, 20-minute video, $25. I invested $700 into making that video through research. But to answer some of the questions that you guys may still have, and some of you that don't know what the video is about, I want to share with you the importance of the Imei number. And also, not only that, why that number is important, I'm going to show you how you can get an Android number. Now, in the video, and yes, I'm giving you part of the video. In the video, I told you guys that if you're having trouble finding an Android number, you can go on eBay and some of the items that they have for sale. Look for the tablets, Android tablets that they have for sale. Go through the pictures and sometimes you see the number and back it up. You just take that number and then you put it into the app and you generate more numbers that way. But apparently some of you guys are a little confused about that. And those of you that haven't got the video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it. But first, let me show you the importance of the Imei number. All right, so here we are right now. Everything you should know about the Imei number. And so a lot of people have questions like, what is this number? I know I had questions about what is this number when I first started. Here it is. So the number are sources of both mystery and paranormal within many circles around the internet. These crypto nubilis numbers stamped around various parts of your phone are commonly used to identify phones, leading some to wonder whether they can be used for surveillance and other nefarious activities. So basically, guys, this article is going to explain exactly what they are, what they're used for. In a nutshell, basically, they are put on devices. It helps to identify the devices. It helps to see if a device is stolen. But most importantly, this is it right here. The International Mobile Station Equipment Identified Numbers. IMEI is a number used to identify a device that uses terrestrial cellular network. And with the terrestrial cellular networks, you may ask, this is the network you use when you place a call on your cell phone or access the internet connection provided by your cellular carrier through your data plan. It's called terrestrial because it's planet-side antennas, not satellite connected. Basically, what happens is whenever a device connects to a network, that number goes to the antenna, and that antenna knows exactly what device it's sending a signal to and how to send that signal. That's why that number is so important. So when we talk about the bands, and in the video I explained to you the different bands, when you're buying a hotspot, you want to make sure that it have the bands for AT&T. The more bands they have AT&T, the more the greater the capability that it will perform well. Also, you want to make sure that you have a good Imei number, and that can dictate the speeds you get. For example, if you get an Imei number, and what's going to happen, that antenna is going to read the Imei number. Let's say if it's an old Android tablet, you're going to say, all right, this is not LTE, this is only 3G. So it's only going to send a 3G signal. And you're like, hey, I got a top of the line hotspot, but it's able to carry all AT&T bands, but it's not getting good speeds. It's because you got a bad Imei number. You have to go ahead, guys, and switch it up and try different Imei numbers. I'm gonna show you how you can change your Imei number, and then I'm gonna show you how you can get an Android Imei number. All right, so here I am at the website. Now you got to excuse me, some of the things blurred out is personal information. This is the landing page for the iPad, but the same process basically for the Android. So when you get right here, you can see that so far I used 316 gigs, proven to you, truly unlimited, 316 gig. What I want to do is I want to go to edit user and payment information. I go right there, then it's going to say update device information. So I come right here, and now I'm able to change the Imei number. And if I wanted to change the SIM card, I can go ahead and I can change that number right there. Simple as that. And you can change it how many times you want. You just log in, put in your information, and update your stuff, and you good to go. All right, so you got that down. So Tech, how do we get a good Android number? The app for Android, it should be on Apple too. So let's go ahead and jump right into my phone. Now this right here is the Imei generator. Now the first thing you need to know is that you see right here, you have phones right here. You don't want to go to those because those are phones. Unless you know, remember, we're using the tablet method. Unless you know exactly which one of these devices is a tablet, stay away from that. Come right here to generate it. Now you see this top number, people. Now this is an Android number. This is the IMEI number for Android tablet. This number right here. Don't use that top number right there, guys. Get the app. So many people gonna watch this video and everybody gonna try to use that number. You simply just click generate and press back, get out the commercial, and then generate your own numbers, infinite amount of numbers. Or you can just copy that number right there, come right here, and generate more numbers. So you're constantly generating new numbers just in case you have trouble with an old number. And then here's a great thing. Before you input the number, I always recommend that you go to analyze. So it is saying, all right, let me go back, copy this, put it right there, make sure that it's a good number, analyze that number, get out that commercial, and there you go, give you some basic information. So it said has not been reported lost or stolen, so you're good to go to use that number. All right, so there you have it. I know it's a mouthful. I kind of ran through some things, but that is how you get an Android number, and that is how you change your number using the website. Now, if you haven't got the video, guys, you already know how it works. Cash App, DBogan78. PayPal me at Taking a Bathroom. All of the information be in the description of the video. Go ahead, get the video, and you can be your own boss. You can start selling internet to individuals in your community, or you can use that information to cut your internet bill. It's your boy Taking a Bathroom. I hope you learned something. As always, as I learn, I share. Peace. Don't forget to subscribe. I do this for the people. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification button so you can be up to date with all of my latest videos.